Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm gonna make a full face of nothing you all products you already see on my channel, so let's get started. As always, I know you know that from many videos before. This is Essence Prime Plus Studio Mattifying Plus Pore Minimizing Primer. For foundation, I'm gonna use Catrice All Matte Plus. I'm gonna take 2 pump to cover my face. I'm gonna make small dots all around my face. And then I'm gonna blend it with a beauty sponge. For concealer, I'm gonna use Essence Camouflage Concealer. And this is my concealer and eyeshadow base. For brows, I'm gonna use this Catrice eyebrow set and Real Techniques brow brush. For a little bit more volume and fluffiness, I'm gonna use Essence Make Me Brow Mascara. I'm gonna remove excess as always, and then I'm gonna just slightly brush through my brows. For eyes, I'm gonna use this palette from I Heart Makeup. This is Naked Chocolate, and I'm gonna use this cool tone mauve shade for crease. For my outer V, I'm gonna take this darker brown shade and angle brush, and then I'm gonna make a stamp on the corner of my eye, just like that. And I'm gonna blend it. And with my crease brush, I'm gonna blend these two shades together. On the rest of my eyelid, I'm gonna use this nice gold shade. For mascara, I'm gonna use Essence I Need a Miracle. For blush, I'm gonna use Blush by 3 Pink Lemonade, and I'm gonna use this shade here, and I'm gonna blend it. For highlighter, I'm gonna use WnW Goddes Glow. I'm gonna blend it with a sponge. For lips, I'm gonna use Essence Color Boost Made About Matte. This is shade 05, Dangerously Yours. For fixing my makeup, I'm gonna use Catrice Prime and Fine Dewy Glow Fixing Spray. And this is the final look. I hope you like it. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye!